Get ready for a fun tech challenge. These tech words are all mixed up. Can you solve them before the answer appears? Some are easy, some are tricky, and some are really hard. Let's begin. T-P-O-A-L-P. The answer is laptop. R-R-P-I-T-N-E. The answer is printer. E-S-R-R-W-B-O. The answer is browser. W-T-E-N-K-R-O. The answer is network. R-E-F-O-T-W-S. The answer is software. H-A-W-D-R-R-E. The answer is hardware. W-O-A-N-D-D-L-O. The answer is download. D-L-A-U-O-P. The answer is upload. S-S-W-O-P-R-D-A. The answer is password. A-D-B-A-A-T-S-E. The answer is database. O-O-M-T-N-I-R. The answer is monitor. E-C-R-M-A-A. The answer is camera. E-S-K-A-E-P-R. The answer is speaker. L-O-E-R-D-F. The answer is folder. O-C-I-N. The answer is icon.